Good day, friends, and welcome back to another episode of What the Hell Am I Doing? So I already started doing everything here. What I'm doing is on the 78, I'm going from manual steering to power steering. It already has Hydro Boost brakes, so I got to do power steering box, new lines, yada yada yada. Fun fact, manual steering pitman arm does not work on a power steering pitman arm. The holes that go onto the steering box itself are different sizes. Just a heads up. But usually the parts store has them in stock. That's the old manual steering one, the shaft. I actually have a shaft that I used in my Malibu. It's from a Jeep. I don't remember what year or even the model it's from, but it's from a Jeep. It works fantastic. It also looks a little better than that one too. That one's got a little bit of play in it. Whatever. The old pitman arm. Kids screaming in the neighborhood. But there's the new box. So now I come up here and figure these lines out. From what I think, I gotta go Hydro Boost to there, there to there, there to there, there to there. I think. So the fun part's gonna be trying to keep it clean. So I'll probably just go ahead and time lapse through this and get it done. And we'll pick back up in a minute. By painful, I mean it's gonna take forever. Can't do it either. Can't turn it or anything. Can't even get to it, damn it. Wow. I thought you're supposed to have a hole in the top of it. Like it does. Puppy! What am I gonna do here? It's gonna fucking start draining out. As soon as I pull it, it's gonna start making a big old mess. What am I gonna do? Can't bend it down because it'll probably fucking break. Can't get anything in there. How did they do that? Maybe a little wrench? 5/16. Oh, I do have one. It's gonna work. Can't tell if it's going on or not. Oh, it is. That is what they used. I don't know why they would do it this way. Kind of dumb. You still recording? Yes, you are. Where's my hose at? Right there. Fittings on it. There goes the... There's the leak punch. goes in place. Look at it, brand new. Brand spanking new. Now, let's hope that everything goes in place like it should. Because if it don't, well, we don't have problems. No, we don't like having problems. Alright, well, we already got a problem. Well, there you have it, folks. Power steering is done. So here's what happened. I had to use the original intermediate steering shaft. I wasn't able to make the new one work. It was out of the Wrangler or Cherokee, I'm not sure which one. I did make one of those work for the Malibu, which I think I recorded that when I did the power steering in that too. Box is in. I didn't replace any of the lines except for the one, and I just rerouted the one from the gearbox to the pump itself. That's it.